Okay, so today I wanted to show you a couple of tools that I use that save me hours and hours of time each week as I post to my viral mailer sites that I use every day. There's several dozen of them. I try to post to them every single day, and I'll show you how easy that is using the tools that I'm using, and I will also show you how to post different emails and different links based on whatever it is that you're promoting. So first things first, we've got Google Chrome open here. You can see in my bookmark toolbar, I've got a folder called Daily Mailer Sites 1 and Daily Mailer Sites 2. Those are divided up basically just on how I got to them and how I need to deal with them. And I'll show you about that a little bit later. But for the most part, I start at Daily Mailer Sites 1. So if I go to expand it, and I can go down to a site, I usually start at the top, work one after the other, but I'm just going to pick one that's a little bit lower down that I haven't done yet today. So I'm going to pick Exclusive Ad Club, and it's going to take us to the site, and I'm going to click on Login, and this is the first tool that I use. This is called Proton Pass. Basically, it is a Switzerland-based encrypted um, mail, calendar, password manager, and data repository. So you have, just like you have Google Drive, you can also have Proton Drive, and everything is stored very securely there. But you can use any password manager that you want, but it's important that you do in order to make this flow work. All right. So once the site opens, I go to this little blue triangle and I click it, and it fills my username and password in. RoboForm works well. LastPass works well. I'm using Proton Pass. So when we log in, we're going to come to the initial advertisements. And this one's got a 15-second sponsored ad that we wait through. One of the things about this process is build your rhythm every day, right? Get in. Maybe it's the first thing you do, maybe it's the second thing you do, but you start posting to these guys one after the other after the other. So we've finished our sponsored ad, so I'm going to go ahead and click close. And then on this site, Exclusive Ad Club, I go to Set Up Ads, View Stats, and you can see I have banners that I haven't set up yet, and I have a bunch of solos that when I click here, I can install, or I can send out a solo. So this is the magic of this. If I go here and I'm going to type the letter G, the number 1, and the word sub. So that is my code for Autotext to say, all right, send me the subject line for G1. Same thing goes for the body, G1 body. Boom, there's my email. I also have the link, G1 link. And there's the link. I click Save Ad, I click Send. That's it. That email has gone out. After this frame breaker test, it'll take us back, and we're done. I go to the next one, and do the same thing. Log in. I've got my username and password in Proton Pass. I will skip these recommended sites. And we have another 15-second sponsor ad as we go through. The text expander that I'm using is Autotext. It is completely free, and I will include a link in the description of this video. But here we're logged in. I'm going to go ahead and click Set Up Ads and click for a solo. And this time I'm going to promote a different product. The reason I do this is so that as my ads come up, there's different ads. So they're not seeing, 10 ads with the same subject, 20 ads with the same subject, right? Because a lot of times people belong to all of these sites and they can receive the same emails over and over and over again. I try to differentiate myself by doing it differently. So I'm going to type 7 body. There's the body. And I'll type 7 link. There's the link. And send. That's all there is to it. It gives me the frame break test, and then I move on to the next one. So super easy, super fast, very easy to set up. How do you set it up? All right, that's a great question. So if I open Autotext, I have two panes. I have my folders, and I have my links, or my keywords. So if I go into this got backup folder, you can see I have G1 link, G1 body, G1 sub, right? That's the link, the body of the email, the subject. I've also have a variation, G body, G link, G sub. So all you do is you type these letter combinations in the fields, and then you can be ready to send them. Super easy to set them up. If I go to the keywords menu item, I click new keyword. I can say 9 sub, put in a subject line. This is the subject. Save that. If I add another keyword, I can go 9 body. And the body is going to be, this is the body. And then finally the link. New keyword, glink. It's that easy. So then when you don't have to save, everything is saved up. This runs in the tray generally, down in here. And you just go on. We're going to do another one, and we'll just add those, the G's real quick. I'll do member login, login using my password manager, which is Proton Pass. Skip the recommended sites, just for the sake of this video. And we'll go into setup ads. And I don't have a solo, so I'm going to go ahead and, oops, I don't have enough credits. All right, let's skip to a different one. Let's try this. And we'll log in. Skip the recommendation for now. And we should get another sponsored ad that's going to last 15 seconds. So I spend a lot of time looking for and setting up little systems or processes like this so that I can save as much time as I can and get as much advertising as I can out every single day. So that ad ended, and we'll set up. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create an ad with those G's, right? So if I go to G sub, there's the not 9 sub is what I wanted. 9 sub, 9 body. You have to type the right thing. 9 BODY and 9 link. 9 LIK. That one's not working because I broke it. But in any case, you can see how fast it is to fill in your ads for your mailers, just one after the other. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out to me and I will be glad to assist.